Millions of students and educators worldwide have used Khan Academy to learn and practice core academic content across subjects. Adobe, meanwhile, is the leader in tools and curriculum that allow students to practice creativity, communication, and digital skills. We're so excited to bring these two organizations together with a new, easy-to-use, adaptable, and innovative curriculum. In this new self-paced course for educators, Teach Creativity with Adobe and Khan Academy, we'll introduce you to over 100 lessons, activities, and projects that combine Khan Academy content with creative extensions using Adobe tools. You'll dive deep into pedagogy and instructional design. Hear from real educators across K-12 and higher ed.
It's a beautiful blend of informative and engaging content
Who have transformed their students' learning outcomes with these innovative approaches. Plus, with an end-of-course assignment, you'll have the option to receive a digital credential and certificate for professional development hours. So, whether you want to teach literature, science, history and social sciences, art history, math, or storytelling with Pixar in a box, this free course will teach you to weave core content and creative projects in flexible, exciting, and engaging ways. Sign up today on the Adobe Education Exchange.